Well, hello guys. I'm Sean Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today we're going to do a song called Where Is Love from the movie Oliver. It's very jazzy. I think you'll like it if you like jazzy piano stuff. Well, wrong camera. Let's take a listen to what we're going to be able to do here. Here we go. You just want to go, you know, in the crooner style. Well, guys, if you don't know me, I teach using letters on a whiteboard instead of traditional music notation. Done this for 17 years on YouTube and on my website, and then many more decades from that, just private lessons. But it seems to be a way that works for a lot of people. If you have a really good ear, you're talented, but music has been a roadblock for you, this will probably work for you. That's a formula that seems to work for everyone. So give it a try. I put the part one here, free part one here. You can try it out right now. And if you like it, you can become a member of the website, download my sheets for this one, as well as many other things that you might want to learn to play, because I got a whole lot of lessons on there. All right, so we start with jazzy stuff. Da, 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 da. So we'll go through the whole thing, in the lesson series. But the part one here, we have C in the left hand. All right, that's on the bottom there, below. And the right hand will have E, G, and B. That's going to be a C major 7 chord. So you have E, G, B, and C on the bass. I'm going to use 1, 2, 4 on the right hand. I'm going to use a thumb for my C because I'm going to have to do a low C in a minute. Da, da, da. So you go, you can roll that if you want. When I go to B flat, E flat, G, I'm going to play 1, 3, 5. Bum, bum, bum. So you just kind of scoot over there. And I'll show you a little something here. A lot of people, when they have a skip, they freak out about it, and they go, I can't get there on time. Take a millisecond to get there. See? Take that little extra millisecond. No one will even know. And it'll sound like you're just being musical, and drawing the notes out, and that's okay. So after you're holding that B flat, E flat, G, and you hit the C here on the bass, which makes it a C minor 7. Then I have F on the left hand, A on the right. Now I wrote the B flat and A down there because they're so low, they're kind of in the left hand bass clef range, so I just wrote them down there. But 1, 2, okay? You got to pedal, you can pedal at the beginning, of course. Then you got to pedal that chord because you can't mix this with that. Pedal as you hold, then pedal. Then you pedal here. All right? Na, na, na. Now the same phrase, but in a different, different chords. Na, na, na. Okay? So B flat on the thumb, left hand, right hand, DFA. All right, so this lesson is a little bit advanced. So if you're finding I'm going, oh, you're going too fast, it's too hard, or whatever, you need to try something a little easier. All right? Work up to this. I have a lot of lessons on the site. Try one that is in your wheelhouse that you can do easily. All right? It may not be my fault. It may be that you're trying to jump ahead and you're not ready yet. DFA on the right. 1, 2, 4. B flat. And then you go down to A flat, D flat, F. Na, na, na. B flat. And then E flat on the left, G on the right. 1, 2, and 1, 2. Now, after you work on that, all right, now you put it together. You go back and you start at the beginning. One of the mistakes people make is they try to learn the whole thing at once. They try to go all the way through it and play it. You have to learn it in sections. You have to have, like Legos. You have a little package that you build. You get that ready, and then you need to go to another package, and then you put them together. Well, that's what we're doing here. So we learned a couple measures there. Now we put it together. Whoops, that's wrong. Okay, and the next one's going to go. Na, 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 na. Aren't those chords really cool? Oh, really neat. And they're not hard to play. Just got to know which buttons to push. All right, left hand, A flat. Right hand, C, E flat, G. That's going to make a nice A flat major 7. And then E flat, F, G, F, E flat. And you can do it from one hand position. Okay, when you start piano lessons with a with your piano teacher and you have C position and G position and middle C position and all these kind of things. Well, when you go to more advanced music, that still has hand positions. You just move around a lot more. So there's one hand position for this measure. Okay, these other measures had different hand positions. This one has one. Right hand C flat G, A flat B flat A flat E flat C. So it's 1, 2, and 3 and 4. And watch your pedal here because you don't want to go. And then mix it all up. 1, 2, and okay. So 1, 2, and 3, and then the next part that's not seen there is, what is it? Okay. So let's go from the beginning and do what we've done. And go 1, 2, and 1. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that part 1 lesson. If you can do that, you'll probably be able to play the whole thing. Give it enough time. So, hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you later.